You smile at people. You act strong. You say, I'm fine. But deep inside, no one knows your battles. No one hears your silent cries. Except Allah. Surah Ghafir reminds us.
يعلم خائنة الأعين وما تخفي الصدور.
Allah even knows the sly glances of the eyes and whatever the hearts conceal. He knows what you never say aloud. The secrets buried in your chest. The du'as you can't put into words. People may misunderstand you. Friends may forget you. But Allah never does. Every sleepless night. Every tear on your pillow. Every silent Ya Allah in your heart is fully known to Him. So don't think your struggles are invisible. Allah sees them all. And He will reward you for every moment you kept faith. Even when no one else knew. Comment, Ya Allah, you know what's in my heart. Save this video to remind yourself, nothing is hidden from Allah. Follow for daily Quran reflections.